Good morning, one and all gathered here. Today, class 12 are with the first digital assembly. Remember, today, June 14, is known for World Blood Donor Day. Let's start our assembly with the blessings of God Almighty. So, I would like to invite Achudan for prayer song.
ദൈവമേ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ ദൈവമേ ഭക്തവത്സല ദൈവമേ നിൻ കൃപാവരം ഞങ്ങളിൽ ചൊരിയണമേ ഞങ്ങളിൽ ചൊരിയണമേ.
I notice a way to make beware of our duties towards the nation. So, I request Mahadev to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents and teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A new word increases our vocabulary. I would like to call Amal to add a new word to our vocabulary.
Good morning to all. Today's new words are bona fide, which means good faith, and ultra vires, which means beyond powers. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Uwe to update us what happening around us.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are Kannur MP K. Sudhakaran appointed as President of Kerala Congress Committee. TPR above 10% reason behind lockdown extension till June 16 in Kerala. CBSE extended deadline till June 28 for the submission of plus 2 internal mark. Lakshadweep extends shutdown of 6 islands for a week amid hunger strike against reforms. Neymar scored a goal and created Brazil for their perfect start in World Cup qualifying. Thank you.
Now let's test your general knowledge. I would like to invite Rahul with some general questions.
Today's DK questions are: which is the biggest island in the world? Answer: Greenland. In which year Hong Kong became a part of China after the British rule? Answer: 1997. Which river is flowing through the Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA? Answer: Colorado River. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolts? Answer: Bhutan.
As I said earlier, June 14 is celebrated or known for World Blood Donor Day. I would like to invite Nelvin to have a few words with us.
A donation of blood means few minutes to us, but lifetime for somebody else. Good morning. I, Nelvin, would like to express my gratitude. Let me share my thoughts on this platform. Safe blood and blood products. It is critical requirement in emergency times. Every country around the world celebrate World Blood Donor Day. The event serves awareness of need of safe blood and blood products. Thank to voluntary, unpaid blood donors of their life-saving gifts of blood. The World Blood Donor Day takes place on June 14 each year. The day also provides an opportunity to call to action government and national health authorities, provide adequate resources and put into place system and some infrastructure to increase the collection of blood from voluntary blood donors. A blood service that gives patients access to safe blood and blood products. A sufficient quantity, a key compound, an effective health system. The theme of the World Blood Donor Day changes each year with selfless individuals who donate blood for people unknown to them. For 2021, the World Blood Donor Day slogan will be "Give blood and keep the world beating." The message highlights essential contribution blood donors make to keep the world pulsating by saving lives and improving others' health. To be host the World Blood Donor Day through its National Blood Center. The global event held on Rome, June 14, 2021. Donate your blood for a reason. Let the reason be life.
An assembly without something special is incomplete. I would like to call Achudan with a song.
चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से ऐसा जो कोई कही है बस वो ही सब से हंसी है, उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो दास्ता कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी, छाँव हुए कहीं कहीं है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
Now I would like to call our dear class teacher Sheila Miss to have a few words with us.
നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് ജൂൺ 14 രക്തദാന ദിനം. രക്തം നൽകൂ, ജീവിതം പങ്കുവയ്ക്കും. രക്തദാനം മഹത് കർമ്മമാണ്. ജീവൻ രക്ഷിക്കാൻ മനുഷ്യൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഏറ്റവും മഹത്തരമായ ദാനമാണ് രക്തദാനം. ലോക മാനവരാശി ഈ മഹത് കർമ്മം അറിഞ്ഞതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ സുദിനം രക്തദാന ദിനമായി നാം ആചരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ദിനത്തിൻ്റെ സന്ദേശം നിങ്ങൾ ഏവരിലും എത്തിക്കുവാൻ +2 ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞുവെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി.
Starting always as an end. Now our morning assembly has reached its end. Now let's end our assembly with national anthem. I would like to call Achudan for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलति तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे, दागे तब जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
I hope you liked today's assembly. Now have a good day. It's Alanjari signing off.